Match list 1 with list second. List 1, list second. List 1 action, list second cluster. A. Compiling with safety, health and security regulations. B. Making decisions without regard for personal gain. C. Conveying true claims in products advertisement. D. Providing products and services of the highest quality. List second. Doing anything improper that will harm the organization. Second, customer centric. Third, becoming a dependable organizational citizen. Fourth, being good to customer. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 4 ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ കണ്ടെത്തണം. ലിസ്റ്റ് 1-ൽ എ. കമ്പൈലിംഗ് വിത്ത് സേഫ്റ്റി, ഹെൽത്ത് ആൻഡ് സെക്യൂരിറ്റി റെഗുലേഷൻസ്. മാച്ച് ആവുന്നത് ലിസ്റ്റ് 2-ൽ തേർഡാണ്. ബിക്കമിങ് എ ഡിപ്പെൻഡബിൾ ഓർഗനൈസേഷണൽ സിറ്റിസൺ. Compiling with safety regulation shows a commitment to being a responsible and dependable member of the organization, following rules and guidelines. B. Making decisions without regard for personal gain. Match list 2-ൽ first one. Doing anything improper that will harm the organization. Making decision without personal gain demonstrate integrity and ethical behavior which aligns with not harming the organization. C. Conveying true claims in products advertisement. Match fourth one. Being good to customer. Conveying true product advertisement is customer centric as it focuses on providing accurate information to customers. D. Providing products and services of the highest quality. Match 2. Customer centric. Providing high quality products and services is directly related to customer satisfaction and being customer centric. Answer option 3. A third, B first, C fourth one, D second. Question. Resource management is concerned mainly with the management of first one, human resources, material resources, both human and material resources, more than one of the above, none of the above. Answer option 3 ആണ്. Both human and material resources. Resource management is a broad field that encompasses the planning, scheduling and allocation of resources to achieve specific goals. This includes both tangible and intangible assets. Effective resource management aims to optimize the use of all available resources to maximize efficiency and achieve desired outcomes. Question. Assertion. Changes in fashions and tastes of consumers may shift demand in the market from existing products to new ones. Reason. Business environment is dynamic, that is, it keeps on changing in consumer preferences. First one, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Answer option 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Explanation. Assertion. Changes in fashions and taste of consumers directly impact the demand for goods and services in the market. When consumers develop a preference for new products or styles, the demand for existing ones may decrease as they shift their spending toward the new items. Reason. The business environment, including consumer preferences, is constantly evolving. The dynamic nature means that business need to adapt to changing tastes to remain competitive and meet consumer demand. Since the dynamic nature of consumer preferences directly influences the shift in demand as mentioned in assertion, reason correctly explains assertion. Question. Which of the following is the function of marketing? Gathering and analyzing market information, marketing planning, standardization and grading, all of the above. Answer option 4, all of the above. Public relations as a part of promotion in marketing refers to management of reputation of the company, promoting products or brands of the company, managing an event of the company, conducting publicity campaigns around relevant issues. Answer option 1, management of reputation of the company. The process of maintaining a positive image and developing healthy relationships between a company and the external parties it serves is known as public relations. Question. Post-purchase consumers invariably experience cognitive dissonance, which is referred to as options 1. A feeling of happiness with the purchase, getting angry with the firm, a feeling of uncertainty about making the right decision, a state of extreme satisfaction. Answer option 3, a feeling of uncertainty about making the right decision. Post-purchase cognitive dissonance refers to the feeling of uncertainty or regret that consumers may experience after making a purchase, particularly a large or significant one. Next question. Huge stores that combine supermarket, discount and warehouse retailing are called discount store, category killer, hypermarket, off-price retailer. Answer option 3, hypermarket. Hypermarket is a sizable retail space that combines supermarket, discount and warehouse retailing store. A buyer is able to purchase every item in one location under hypermarket. Question. Which one of the following is a myth about rural markets? Options. All villages are not equally populated. Rural buyers are a heterogeneous lot. Rural buyers are able to discriminate between products and brands. Only low-priced products sell in a rural markets. Options 1. All villages are not equally populated. This is a fact, not a myth. Villages vary significantly in population size and density. Second, rural buyers are a heterogeneous lot. This is a fact, not a myth. Rural markets are diverse and buyers have varying needs, preferences and purchasing power. Third one, rural buyers are able to discriminate between products and brands. This is a fact. Rural consumers are increasingly aware and discerning, making informed choices based on quality, features and brand reputation. Fourth one, only low-priced products sell in rural market. This is a myth. While price sensitivity can be a factor, rural consumers are also willing to pay for quality, value and products that meet their specific needs, including higher priced items if they perceive value. The idea that only cheap products sell in rural areas is a common misconception that does not reflect the evolving nature of these markets. So answer is option 4. Only low price products sell in rural markets.